How to design t-shirt on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can design your t-shirt on Canva. For that, you'll have to open your Canva application on your mobile device, and once on the home page, click on that search bar and search for t-shirt designs. You will see a selection of t-shirt designs to choose from. Click on the one you like to select it. Make sure to select the one that is free. Then click on plus icon at the left corner below. Select elements here, and in the elements menu you can find shapes, icons and other designs. Choose t-shirt design here. Once you have chosen your design, click on the design and below you will see some customization options. Click on layers and drag the t-shirt layer at the very end. This ensures that your design appears on the top of the t-shirt graphic. If you prefer, you can adjust the layer order by clicking and dragging the layers in the menu. Once your t-shirt design is ready, you can download it by clicking on download option at the top corner of the page, and that's it. You now have a custom t-shirt design ready to be printed or shared. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.